Good afternoon, good evening, good night. Hope you're all doing well. Hope you're having a great Wednesday. What a lovely day it's been. It's day 17. We've transplanted and uppotted most of these trays, but let's get these done because, as you can see, all the true leaves are showing now and they need to get switched out. So they've got a chance of getting nice and big and giving us loads of peppers. Sugarish peach, stripey, this tray we're going to leave for a bit. I think it may be toast, but let's see. These two gotta come out as of these. The ghosts, I'm going to leave that one there and let him grow. These two gotta come out as of these. Habaneros can stay for a bit. That Reaper hasn't changed much. I don't know if it's going to. This Reaper, lovely, needs to come out. And that one's about ready. And then look at the Zimbabwe Black. Very nice. Let's get these out and updated. Alright, so we've transferred some trays. As you can see, I've got them just overlapping now. Just a few of the habaneros to go. That Reaper, I think's had it. The black jalapeno. And these MOAs once they get their true leaves. Also got some of these branches. And the Armageddon at the back there. Some of these we can say aren't going to make it really, are they? We've got plenty of Sabranges. We've got Armageddon. I want to get that one Armageddon there. And yeah, a couple of black jalapenos, but so everything's been potted into either smaller pots or doubled up plastic cups, just so they can stretch out that little bit more. I know the plastic pots aren't probably the best option, but for what I've got at the moment, it will work. And I'm going to need to swap the pots around daily or 3-4 times a day so they can get adequate light. See, these are getting loads of light. These aren't getting enough or enough direct. But that's okay, we can swap it all around. At the back there. Plenty to work with. I want to thank you all for watching today. Hope you've had a great day. Take care of yourself. Look after me, myself and I, because nobody's going to throw you a lifeline if you're drowning. You take care, and we'll see you all tomorrow.